Life can be a delightful dance, a journey filled with wonder and possibility if only we allow ourselves to embrace it. When we let go of the rigid pursuit of goals and instead focus on embodying our deepest desires, the path ahead becomes a thrilling adventure. Today, we're going to explore how embodying your desires can act as a cheat code to achieve anything you want. What does it mean to truly embody your goals? How can shifting your mindset and actions transform your reality? And is there real evidence to support this practice? If you're ready to unlock these secrets and start living the life of your dreams, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and discover the power of embodiment together. But before moving on, I noticed that almost all of you who are watching the channel are not subscribed, so please remember to subscribe so you never miss any future videos. Let's get started. You might be asking yourself, what exactly is embodiment, and how can it act as a cheat code to achieve whatever I want? Think of embodiment as living your life as if you already are the person you aspire to be. It's about aligning your thoughts, actions, and emotions with your deepest desires. But here's the intriguing part. This isn't just about wishful thinking or positive affirmations. It's about a profound shift in how you perceive and interact with the world. Picture this. Every great achiever, from athletes to successful entrepreneurs, often speaks about acting as if they've already reached their goals. This isn't mere coincidence. There's a powerful psychology behind it. When you embody your future self, you're essentially reprogramming your mind to adopt the habits, beliefs, and attitudes of that person. But how exactly does this work, and why is it so effective? That's where the journey gets fascinating. Imagine waking up each day and asking yourself, how would my future self handle today? This question alone can transform your actions and decisions. But wait, it goes deeper. Embodiment isn't just about actions. It's about feeling and believing you are already there. Neuroscience shows us that our brains don't distinguish much between imagination and reality. When you consistently embody your desired state, your brain starts to create new neural pathways, essentially hardwiring this new identity into your very being. But you might wonder, is there any real evidence behind this? Or is it just another self-help myth? The beauty lies in the blend of science and spirituality. Numerous studies highlight how visualization and embodying success can lead to actual changes in behavior and outcomes. Yet, the mystery doesn't end here. The true power of embodiment unfolds as we dive into practical steps and real-life success stories, which we'll explore shortly. So, how can you start this transformation today? What practical steps can you take to ensure you're not just dreaming, but actively creating your desired reality? Stay tuned, because we're about to break it all down, step by step, revealing how you can turn the abstract into the concrete and the imagined into the experienced. Ready to dive deeper? Let's go on this journey together and unlock the secrets of embodiment, the ultimate life cheat code. Now, let's unravel the next layer of this intriguing concept. What practical steps can you take to start embodying your desired self today? The first step is all about visualization. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a strategic and intentional practice. Close your eyes and vividly imagine your future self. What do you see? How do you feel? What actions are you taking? This mental imagery is the foundation of embodiment. By visualizing your goals with such clarity, you begin to trick your brain into believing that this is your reality. But we're just scratching the surface here. Next, let's talk about affirmations. While many people think affirmations are just positive statements, when combined with embodiment, they become powerful tools. Speak to yourself as if you are already the person you want to become. For instance, instead of saying, I will be successful, say, I am successful. This subtle shift in language reinforces the embodiment practice, sending strong signals to your subconscious mind. But there's a twist. These affirmations need to be felt, not just spoken. Feel the truth in your words. Let them resonate deeply within you. Since we are talking about affirmations, let's get practical. Please affirm in the comment section with, making money comes easily to me. I am a magnet for money. Moving forward, consistency is key. It's not enough to visualize and affirm sporadically. You need to incorporate these practices into your daily routine, making them as habitual as brushing your teeth. This continuous repetition strengthens the neural pathways in your brain, gradually shifting your identity. But what happens when doubts and negative thoughts creep in? That's a common hurdle. Overcoming these mental barriers is crucial, and we'll dive into effective strategies for this shortly. Now, let's add another layer: action. Visualization and affirmations set the stage, but action brings the performance to life. Begin by taking small, consistent actions that align with your future self. These don't have to be grand gestures. Even minor changes in your daily habits can accumulate into significant transformations. Ask yourself, what would my future self do in this situation? And then act accordingly. This proactive approach accelerates the embodiment process, making your desired reality more tangible. But wait, we haven't discussed the science behind this yet. Is there any evidence to support these practices? Or are we venturing into pseudoscience territory? The truth is that numerous studies in psychology and neuroscience back the effectiveness of visualization, affirmations, and consistent action. We'll explore these scientific insights in depth later, shedding light on how our brains adapt and transform through these practices. So, how can you measure your progress and ensure you're on the right track? What signs should you look for to confirm that you're truly embodying your desired self? Stay with me, because we're about to delve into practical tips for tracking your journey and celebrating your milestones. Ready to uncover more secrets of embodiment? Let's continue this exciting exploration. Now, you might be wondering, how can I tell if I'm on the right path? What are the signs that I'm truly embodying my desired self? This is where the journey becomes particularly fascinating. One of the first indicators is a noticeable shift in your daily thoughts and emotions. You'll start to find that negative self-talk and limiting beliefs begin to diminish. Instead, a sense of confidence and certainty will start to permeate your thinking. But this doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, and patience is key. You might also begin to notice changes in your external reality. Opportunities that align with your goals may start to appear more frequently. This isn't a mere coincidence. It's a reflection of your internal shift. When you embody your desires, you're not only changing your mindset, but also the energy you project into the world. This can lead to synchronicities and seemingly serendipitous events that propel you toward your goals. But remember, these signs can be subtle at first, and recognizing them requires mindfulness and awareness. Another crucial aspect is how others begin to perceive and interact with you. As you embody your desired self, people around you will start to respond differently. They might see you as more confident, capable, and aligned with your goals. This change in perception can open doors and create new opportunities. However, it's important to stay grounded and focused, as external validation should complement, not replace, your internal transformation. Now let's address the elephant in the room: setbacks and challenges. Embodying your desires doesn't mean you won't face obstacles. In fact, these challenges can be a crucial part of the process. They test your commitment and resilience, ensuring that your transformation is genuine and sustainable. When setbacks occur, see them as opportunities to reinforce your embodiment practice. Ask yourself, how would my future self navigate this challenge, and act accordingly? This approach not only keeps you aligned, but also strengthens your resolve. But how do you maintain this momentum? Consistency and reinforcement are vital. Regularly revisiting your visualization and affirmations helps keep your goals front and center. Journaling your experiences and progress can also be incredibly beneficial. It allows you to reflect on your journey, recognize patterns, and celebrate small wins. These practices create a feedback loop that continually reinforces your desired identity. And speaking of feedback loops, there's a scientific basis for this as well. Studies in neuroplasticity show that our brains are capable of significant change through repeated practice and intentional focus. This means that the more consistently you embody your desired self, the more deeply ingrained these changes become in your neural pathways. But there's more to uncover about the science behind this, and we'll delve into those details soon. So, what's next? How can you integrate embodiment into every aspect of your life, from personal relationships to career ambitions? And what role does spirituality play in this transformative journey? Stay with me, because we're about to dive into these questions and explore the holistic impact of embodiment on your life. Ready to continue? Let's keep going. As we delve deeper, you might be asking, how can embodiment influence different areas of my life, from personal relationships to career ambitions? This is where embodiment truly shows its multifaceted power. When you begin to embody the traits and qualities of your future self, you'll notice shifts not just within yourself, but also in how you interact with the world around you. Let's start with personal relationships. Embodiment can transform how you relate to others. By embodying confidence, empathy, and positivity, you naturally attract more fulfilling and supportive relationships. People are drawn to those who exude the qualities they admire. But what's fascinating is that this isn't just about attracting new relationships. It's also about transforming existing ones. As you change, those around you often start to respond differently, potentially deepening your connections and improving mutual understanding. Yet, this is just the beginning. There's a profound connection between your internal state and your external interactions that we'll explore in more detail later. Now, think about your career. Embodying your future self means adopting the mindset and habits of someone who has already achieved the success you aspire to. This could involve taking initiative, demonstrating leadership, or even just carrying yourself with a level of confidence that commands respect. When you consistently embody these traits, you're not just imagining success, you're actively creating it. Colleagues and superiors will notice this shift, often leading to new opportunities, promotions, and collaborations. But how do you ensure this isn't perceived as mere posturing? The key lies in authenticity, which we'll delve into soon. You might be thinking, this sounds great in theory, but where's the proof? Enter neuroplasticity. Research shows our brains form new neural connections through consistent practice and focus. By embodying your desired self, you're rewiring your brain to adopt new thought and behavior patterns. This science supports the transformative power of embodiment. We'll explore more scientific insights soon. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Embodiment is a journey, and recognizing your milestones, no matter how small, keeps you motivated and aligned. This could mean journaling your growth, sharing achievements with a supportive community, or reflecting on your progress. And that's the secret of embodiment. By living as your future self today, you align your actions, thoughts, and energy with your deepest desires. Visualize, affirm, and act consistently to watch opportunities and transformations unfold. Every small step is a victory. Your brain adapts and grows with you. Start embodying your dreams now and experience the shift. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more unique insights on transforming your life. Thanks for watching, and let's continue this journey together. See you next time.